Hannes, very warm welcome. Hello, Walter, namaste, Jennifer, hi, Linda, Suzanne, Jude. So great to see you guys. Very warm welcome to the Drunken Monk Live Instagram meditation every Thursday, 6 o'clock. How are you doing, Suzanne? So looking forward to Wednesday when we go to Clubhouse. Buongiorno, Walter. Annalise, hi, my dear. How are you doing over there in Belgium? Hope the weather's still sunny for you. Okay, so welcome. And I'm outside. I took a risk today. It's beautiful this evening. It's just so, and it's perfect for today's meditation, for this evening's meditation, which is, I'm going to share some Rumi with you. And the reason I'm going to do that, of course, is because on the 7th of June, we're going to be doing this really wonderful meditation with Rumi's poetry. Like a 2-week course where we're just going to dive into the symbols and the imagery and the richness of this man's words. And the wonderful thing about his poetry is it really does connect you to something, to this inner space, the love, the light, the way he uses language. There's an essence in it. There's something really wonderful about it. And I'm so looking forward to it because it really is a beautiful way to start the day. You know, it's really gentle. It's not hard work like the manifestation course. We can just really absorb and be nourished by it. So the 7th of June, Monday the 7th of June, is going to be starting every morning at 7 o'clock as usual for 2 weeks. So it ends on the 19th of June, and early bird tickets finish on Sunday night. So if you want to grab an early bird ticket, this is the weekend to do it. And the links are in the bio, and you'll find everything there. So great. Food for the soul. So I thought it'd be a great excuse, a great reason to share a little bit of Rumi with you now. So we're going to do that. Hey Treen, lovely to see you. And Jan, nice. Oh, you'll love Rumi. If you enjoyed the Zen courses, the Zen koans, oh, you're going to love Rumi. But who doesn't like Rumi, right? The guest house. Okay. So I'm going to share with you 7 words from Rumi, 7 words. But they are so rich, they are so powerful, they are so full that you're going to love it. So take a deep breath. Really just fill yourself with energy and just release the day. Let the day go. Whatever's been going on for you, I hope it's been wonderful. I hope you've been enjoying this lovely spring weather. And yeah, just relax into the present moment. Bring your attention into the nature environment that I'm so fortunate to be surrounded by. If you don't have nature just now, then, join me in this feeling of just being connected to the earth, to spring, to the nourishment of nature. Being at one and at peace. Hello, Sabrina. Lovely to see you, my dear. I hope you're well. Hope grandkids are doing great. Lovely to see you. And Fiona joined as well. That's lovely. Namaste. It was lovely speaking with you this morning, Fiona. I enjoyed that. Okay, so we're just getting settled into our nest now. Like I say, the feeling of connecting to nature, And as we know, being grounded, present, and grateful. Okay, this is the upgrade, the spring version of grounded, present, and open. We're now doing grounded, present, and grateful. And it's just so nice. It connects with the heart. But the grounded part, connecting with the body, and especially in these days when we start to move back into normal interactions with people, I know it can be a little bit crazy, a little bit unsettling, is it not? It's a bit strange maybe to be in a group of people again. So if that's the case, then this is perfect just to remember that feeling of being grounded so that you can really settle in the moment and not to become overwhelmed with kind of moving into group situations or networking or where things get a little bit strange or intense because we're so used to just doing everything on Zoom these days. So being grounded. So right now, closing your eyes, just connecting with the body, relaxing the shoulders, maybe stretching a little bit, just settling into your belly, taking a breath there, inviting your hips to relax and open, and that flow of relaxation moving into your legs, then merging with the earth, connecting to the ground, to Mother Nature, like the roots of a tree. And the roots draw nourishment. So when you breathe in, maybe feeling or imagining just nourishment filling every cell of your body. Every single 50 trillion of them. Okay. Grounded, present, bringing your attention into the here and now, being aware of the body, the breath, maybe even sensing your heartbeat. Yeah. Inviting the mind to clear, thoughts to settle. And also the muscles around your face, letting go of the day, if your eyebrows have been pulled together. Just, let that go. Using the breath, let the breath do the work. So feeling the aliveness of energy as we breathe in, and the feeling of release as you breathe out. This feeling of being grounded. And at the same time, your spine is firm. You may even feel a flow of energy from the base of your spine, rising up to your head, flowing around the rest of your body, down the front, through the arms, back down into the legs. This flow, this gentle, subtle flow of energy. However you experience it for you. It may be a tingling in your hands, or in the back of the head, or a shiver up your spine. So connecting with the present. A feeling of merging and resting in the here and now. Grounded, present and grateful. A feeling of wonderful gratitude that is so much to do with the heart space. Of being open and accepting whatsoever is alive in this moment. Whatever emotions or feelings and stuff is going on, it's okay. Just connecting with that, staying with the breath, letting go into the moment, giving space to who you are, taking some breaths to allow that settling, that merging, connecting with the moment, kind of embracing it in a way, but really from the heart, really feeling the gratitude for just taking this moment to nourish yourself here and now. Wonderful. So the Rumi quote that I would love to share with you right now, 7 words. So really take the words into your heart, just really feel them and hear them. Like rain falling in the ground, merging. So you are the drop and the ocean. You are the drop and the ocean. That's so beautiful. So just take the first part for a moment. You are the drop. So what Rumi is saying is that you are this person. You are this identity. You're known by a certain name, you have a profession, you have an essence, you have a being, a soul, a sense of I, this feeling of being here. So connect with that now. Connect with that and simply rest there. Rest with that feeling of just being. So I am that I am. And then you are the drop and the ocean. So if you think about a drop in the ocean, where does the edge of the drop end? And where does the ocean begin? There's no separation. It's just the illusion of this identity, of this separation, but the reality is, what Rumi is saying is that you are the whole ocean. So take a breath, and as you breathe in, just feel the expansion of your awareness in this moment. So when you breathe out, there's this feeling of merging and releasing into the ocean, the disappearance of your sense of I. What does it feel like to invite the sense of I to disappear? There is no I in this moment. What would that feel like? So breathing in, feeling the aliveness and the awareness of who you are. As you breathe out, releasing and expanding, like merging into the ocean, as if you're disappearing. This drop is disappearing into the ocean. Yet this awareness remains. This aliveness, this consciousness is still there. But inviting the boundaries to merge, like a drop simply disappearing into the ocean. You are the drop and the ocean. It's so beautiful. So staying with the aliveness of being present, or simply letting those words resonate in your heart. Almost like inviting your sense of me, of who I am and what my needs are and everything. Let all that go for a moment. What does it feel like simply to become the ocean? You may even visualize simply disappearing and just filling the universe. Where does it end? Where's the edge of you? When you breathe in and you feel this energy within and around you, and you breathe out and you let go, where's the edge? Where do you stop? The energetic body, the breath, your awareness. Going more deeply into this experience of merging into the ocean. You are the drop and the ocean. And simply relax there. Rest in that stillness. Be nourished by it. Be open to whatsoever is there. No thoughts required. Simply this merging. You are the drop and the ocean. Flow with that. Feel it. Trust it. Let go. Disappear into it. And this is Rumi. And just for 1 minute, let's enjoy the silence, the beauty of it. Okay, so a wee taste of Rumi. I hope you enjoyed that. Wholesome, living, loving. I love the name. Yeah, Rumi is wholesome, living, loving. Is he not? Isn't that beautiful? You are the drop, I'm the ocean. Such a beautiful truth. And his words really do. The poetry that he writes is just wonderful. I'm really looking forward to it. So thank you so much for sharing the space with me today. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Suzanne. Beautiful, yes. I love the emoticon. Glorious, Linda. That's great. But I felt like going scuba diving. That's great. That's brilliant. That's perfect. You got it. You got it. Rumi's in your heart now. And once he gets in your heart, that's it, you know. There's no going back. Beautiful Rumi love. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Annalise. Yeah, wonderful without the nature side. That's great. Oh, Servage, you just joined. We're just finishing. You'll catch it up on the Instagram TV. They'll be published tomorrow. Great. Thank you, Rachel. Yes, I'm glad you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed it as well. I love Rumi. Thank you so much, everybody. Listen, have a beautiful, beautiful spring evening. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Enjoy the relaxation of the restrictions. Take it easy, take it slowly, step by step. Thank you so much, Fiona. Thank you, Walter. Mine's also from the insight, absolute meditation into insight time. Oh, that's great, Walter. No, you really got it. That's brilliant that you sensed that. It's the same kind of thing, just different pointers to it. So good job. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care. I will see you in the next session. Lots of love. Namaste. Gaso. Bye, Hannes. Bye, Annalise. Bye, Walter.